With technology, Tiles for Bathroom has improved in pattern and texture and even colors. Today we're experiencing, or we're using, tile that have the texture of marble or travertine or even limestone, but yet they don't cost nothing the same as what the faux marble tile will be, and they're non-porous, and they come in a bigger variety of sizes. Definitely, so for people that definitely still like the look of those real stone tiles, this is an option that can be looked into, and due to the price difference from the real thing, it is something that we actually select quite often. Fantastic for fireplace, even for showers, because remember, it is non-porous and is technically not the real deal, but gives you that illusion. Sizes is the next thing that has upgraded. 24 by 48 seems to be nothing anymore, meaning that almost every home that we designed has those. 30 by 60, the same thing. Cost is manageable to what a, for example, 12 by 24 tile would be. So why not having the bigger tile to have less grout? We are now exploring the big porcelain showers and trying to get them to a price where we could do those as well without being an arm and a leg for them. And I think here soon enough we would be able to offer those as well, where you can have all the benefits of having no grout, non-porous, beautiful looks for the same price like what you would do a 12 by 24 tile. It is very important ultimately, again, don't get stuck on the particular color, on a particular size for your bathroom. Have someone help you and guide you, because the more important thing is, what do you want? What will make you happy? If that happens to be a 24 by 48 or a 30 by 60 tile, great. But the most important thing is that your selection will be timeless and it will serve you very well.